Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? And welcome back to our Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pom。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, Lim Zepsiu, and we're teaching you something very, very useful this month because we always ask people, what are you doing? 你在做什么? Hey, what's up? What are you doing? 怎么说?
都给做马给。
都给做马给. I hope you remember that because it's so easy to use. Now, maybe you're watching TV, and that's your answer, okay? 我们今天这个单元呢，都来教跟电视有关好了。
好，
因为我是电视儿童，
所以还不能转台。
对，不能转台，真的。All right, maybe your answer is you're watching TV, okay? What are you doing? I'm watching TV. 看电视怎么说？
看电视。
看电视，看 that means watch. And 天视 that is TV, television set, all right? 所以如果要很简单的教一个句子，我在看电视。
我都给看电视。
Okay, 我都给 that means I am watching television. 看电视 all right? 好，那顺便教跟电视有关的一些东西好了。
好，
比如说，其实，在台湾啊，大家都很喜欢看新闻。对，大家都好关心哦。对，不管是这个财经、政治、八卦，
都是新闻。
对 ，news is very popular here in Taiwan. So let's teach you how to say news. Okay, 新闻。新闻哦，其实很像了哈。新闻 ，that's news.
海陆腔，新闻。
哦，新闻其实 again 又很像，只是一点点的这个语调不一样。A different dialect of saying news. 那有的时候新闻看久了还是会烦，然后每一台转过去都还是一样这个对
广告的时候就赶快转走。
So let's teach you how to say I want to change channels. I want to surf, my channels. I want to go to another channel. All right, 要转台。
转过别台。
哇，怎么这么长啊？
就是转到别台去咯。
哦，就是比较白话一点。
对，转过别台。
To switch channels, it means I'm turning to another station, all right? 转过别台。
对。
好， those are all terms associated with watching TV, so let's review all of them. Watching TV, 看电视。
看电视。
看电视 and maybe you're watching the news, 新闻。
新闻。
新闻 and then finally, maybe you want to switch a channel, 转台。
转过别台。
转过别台 and that's all about asking, what are you doing?
都给做马给。
都给做马给 and hopefully you're not watching TV but listening to our radio right now. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.